Hi, I'm so excited because our friends at Mosen Music sent me a violin so that I can review it for you guys so you can see its craftsmanship, right? The quality and the value that you're going to get from an instrument. You know, the gift of music is so important. I'm a musician and my kids are all musicians as well. And here in this house, there's many instruments. You know, all over the place. There's instruments, saxophones, guitars, and of course, this is not our first violin. It's a plug and play bundle that comes with everything that you need to start your journey as a violinist. This is the case. It is beautifully made. Everything is taken care of. Check this out. This is embroidered here. This is really, really well made. It looks beautiful. Check it out. Beautiful, right? And everything is well made. The case, everything. I'm already impressed. And the cool thing about it is that it comes with a shoulder rest, right? Violin shoulder rest. Extra strings. You're gonna need those. And this is amazing, right? That in a bundle, it includes even this. It comes with a tuner. So this is really, really, really something that you're gonna need as a beginner to start your journey. The tuner is going to make everything so much better and so much more enjoyable, right? Because hitting those notes, it's what makes it different. Now let's open this up. Right? Let's see what's in there. You're gonna be as surprised as I am because I haven't taken a look at this, right? And let's see what it is. It comes. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Check it out how it comes. You know, this makes. Ooh, it's in the original tones, right? This is a handmade instrument, right? So it's quality beats budget, right? Let me take this down, right? Check this out. How beautifully made this is. This is amazing, amazing. I love it already, right? And you know, this is a perfect stocking stuffer if you want to impress, you know, your kids, a friend, right? This is a perfect way to get someone started and excited about their musical journey. So it comes with this guard. This guard comes in the top, right? But let me take the violin out, right? So that you guys, let me put this to the side, right? So that you guys can see. So it comes with the bow, right? You know, the case. Look at this case. It's amazing how this is made, like, wow. So it comes with a bow. Let me take this out of the packaging. Oh my God, this is really, really well made. I am so impressed with you guys. Mosen guys, whoever gets this as a gift is gonna have years of playing, because this looks, you know, for what it is, it's professional grade. A real hair right there. Check this out. Look how it's made there. I love it. It's perfect, you see? Let me put it close. Look how beautiful it's made. This is the real deal. I love it. So, it comes with a bow. I almost don't want to make sure that everything's is perfect. And now let's take the violin. Let's take the violin out. I'm so excited about this. Wow. Everything about this bundle I love. The case is amazing. But look at this. This is a beautiful instrument. Check it out. Let me put it real close, right? So that you see how beautifully made. The strings are not tightened, so that's why you don't see the strings. because you don't keep violins with all the tension because you don't want to ruin it, right? I mean, and it comes with the bridge. The bridge is here as well. So it comes here, you see it? So it comes with everything. Everything that you need is here. So the bridge is here, right? Let me get out of the packaging so you can see it. Oh, there you go. Really nice. And let's now take a look at the workmanship of this instrument. I mean, I am so impressed. I am so impressed. And this is handmade from really, really good materials. It says that the wood is dried and aged for 3 years before it's used for the confection of this. And you know that the wood for making violins is very important for the sound quality of the instrument. So the way that they pick the materials is as important as the workmanship. So let me get real close to that. You get a really nice look of how well this is made. See? Really, really, really nice. Every detail is quite ornate. Every detail has been taken care of. You see? I am so happy. I can't wait to put this together and give it a play. I have a friend that's going to play it for me. She's much better than I am. And we're going to have fun with this violin. This is it is geared for beginners, right? So this is a great beginner package, but even really good players can use something like that. Like this could be your gig instrument. It could be the one that you use for practicing. But mostly what I think the best use case for this is for students, for high schools, for people that are still on the fence of what instrument they're going to pick, and they are going to want to start with an affordable instrument that is also of great quality, grace, and beauty. So I'm really impressed. I can't wait to put it together and make it sound. And of course, there'll be another video here of it being used to play. But for now, I just wanted to give you this, make this video of the unboxing of this beautiful instrument that I can't get enough of because everything is so well made. So I think that for Christmas, right? And you know this channel is about Christmas. For Christmas, you can impress a lot of people with such a nice gift. And remember, the gift of music is a gift that keeps on giving for the rest of the person's life. So, be a musician, change your life. Mosen guys, thank you for sending this. I think I'm going to love it.